Now, as I film this, it's actually 10:30 in the morning, but I did actually wake up at around 7:38, which is usually around the time that I wake up in the morning. But you can just imagine me in my bed and it's 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, you know? Now, another reason that I didn't film earlier this morning is usually around this time that I'm filming now, I'm on call with my girlfriend. Perks of living in different states. Now, usually she works later on in the day, but today she worked earlier, so we called extra early, and that gives me free time now to film this. You always gotta make the most of the time with the people you care about. I always go by that. So I don't usually show this side of my apartment, but just for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you guys that this is one of the main reasons why I got this apartment, because of the view. Now, I'm living in Brisbane, okay? I live in the city in Brisbane, and this is like the reason why I got this, and this is the reason that really helps me to get motivated. So I wake up in the morning and my desk is right here, okay? And before, if anyone here, if your mind is in the gutter, no, that is not lube, okay? That is hand sanitizer. Don't get the wrong idea because there's a box of tissues there, okay? So my desk is here and I wake up, you know, in the morning, come to my desk, and out here, the view is, it really does motivate me, okay? I'm not trying to make this some motivational thing. In my old apartment that I had no natural sunlight, and this here is just, it's so nice, okay? It's so nice to have, and it's just a lot more motivating to see sunlight. So it also makes it really good for lighting as well. So you might see me like filming a lot here with the lighting. And it's just overall, I like getting sunlight, okay? It helps so much. If you feel like your energy's low in the mornings, then try and get some natural sunlight. Guarantee it'll help. You go for a walk, or if you do have a window or something, get some natural sunlight in the mornings. It does really help. As you can see, I've ruined the date here. It's actually the 29th that I'm filming this. Now, I usually write these down the night before, just before bed. Now, another thing I can put in here is I can actually put in the gym, because I always go to the gym, right? I'm trying to write this down while I'm filming it. Terrible. My handwriting is bad, but today I think I'm gonna train some arms. There's just a few things I need to do today. Try and do a YouTube video, some tax stuff, okay? Super fun stuff, and gym. Now, something else that I don't usually write in here, which you guys will see later, is Rocket League, okay? Now, what I mean by Rocket League, if you don't know what Rocket League is, it's actually a video game, and I actually play it competitively, and today we actually have a tournament. So my day usually will revolve around very similar things. It revolves around answering the students back, making sure my work is done, answering emails, any nitty-gritty stuff, and then stuff like YouTube videos, and then now it revolves around Rocket League because I am actually a professional player. And then you've got extras like gym, and now as of recently I've got Rocket League that I've got to tend to as well. So I actually get paid, our team gets paid a monthly salary. Now I'm not going to disclose how much it is. It's not as much as what I'm getting paid for the business, but it is a little bit of extra income, and I actually really like playing it competitively, so I got to make time for that. That's usually around 2 to 3 hours at nighttime as well. It's usually after all my work is done. That's not so much my priority as much as work is, but it is something that I like to do, and I might as well do it while I'm younger as well. And if you didn't know the organization that's representing our team, it's Team Bliss. I got a lot of stuff sent to me, which I'll just show you a couple of these things right now. So they sent me their jersey, the Team Bliss jersey. It doesn't have my gamer tag or my name on it, but it's awesome. I love the quality, and it fits really, really well. I really like the colors on it too. I think overall, a very, very good brand. They also gave me this amazing hoodie, which is, the quality is so good. Like by far, this is the best organization that I've been with when playing Rocket League. But this stuff is just like, it's awesome. It's such high quality, and I'm not gonna put this on, fortunately, because it's very hot in Queensland at the moment. But we got some high quality merch here. Okay, so before I jump onto the computer, I'm gonna get some hand sanitizer. Okay, it's hand sanitizer. For any of you guys with your minds in the gutter, it's not lube, okay? That's in the bedroom, okay? So I've actually got a cut on my finger, so this is really, really good. This is awesome. Okay, so hand sanitizer. I've got a few messages to answer here. I've got a few on Facebook, and I've got a couple of emails to answer, and some YouTube comments that I'm gonna reply back to as well. So gonna get to it. I've actually got a student who is doing a little bit of research on products that you can sell on Amazon. So he's got me to check out a few. So I'm gonna have to block out a lot of this screen because I don't want to show the products that he's looking at, but I'm gonna go over them now and give you some feedback. So I'm gonna go through these YouTube comments now. I'm usually quite on top of them. I answer them back like every couple of days or every few days most of the time. And it's just me. I'm the one that is just running this channel. I know the channel's not that big at the moment. It's pretty small actually. It's only about 7,500 subscribers at the moment. But I'm happy to keep doing the editing, keep looking over, you know, doing the thumbnails and keep answering back people. I answer back like majority of comments that I get on my videos, and it's very rare that I won't answer them back. It's only if I don't see a point in answering it back, or if it's something I just don't understand, then other than that, I answer back majority of these comments. And that is spanning all the way back from when I started this channel in 2017. So I am committed to the YouTube grind, as you can see from this video that I'm filming. Also boiling in here, okay? Well, not boiling, okay? I kind of went over the top with that. But it's really, really hot. And I can't put on the aircon just now because the background noise is too much for the videos. So I'm just gonna have to suffer. My legs are sweating already. I've got a leather chair, my legs are... Yeah! So I'm just about done here answering everything back. There wasn't actually too much today. Now I'm basically going to get this stuff done for my tax. So after I do this stuff, I'm going to start getting ready for the gym, and you can come along. I just want to show you guys something here, because I'm actually making my pre-workout. Yeah. Ooh. So I've been staying off caffeine. So this pre-workout is actually stim-free, which means there's no caffeine in it. It just helps to give you that pump, like when you're at the gym. And it just helps, like, this is part of my kind of like pre-gym ritual. I edited that, but that took me like, I was doing that for like a minute and a half. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna change it up today. I'm actually gonna do some cardio on this treadmill right now in my Bliss hoodie. I know it's pretty warm. It's like around 25 or so degrees. It doesn't feel like that. It feels a little bit warmer, but you know, Queensland weather. I'm just wearing this, okay? Repping the Bliss merch because I wanna get a bit of a sweat on. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do an arm workout with some resistance bands, which I actually have right here. Okay, home workout stuff. So I'm gonna set this up, turn it on. Well, it's already set up. Okay, I'll show you how this works because it's actually pretty cool. So it's a bit dusty, but that's okay. I do use it all the time, actually. It's been awesome. I got it from Kogan. So turn it on with the remote, and it's just manual. Starts off at level 2. So, well, 2 is 2Ks. This I was gonna set my camera up on, but pretty cool if you ask me. I'm gonna walk on this for about half an hour or so, and we're gonna get a workout in. It's like, am I walking on the treadmill or am I actually walking, you know? It's like, go backwards. Build them up. Build them up. 4, 3, 2. Okay. I'm actually sweating like a lot. Okay, I've got about half an hour before I have to start training for Rocket League for this tournament, so I'm gonna do a little bit of an arm workout. So, one part of this workout is actually done with, this is a resistance band set, and this is actually a product that I used to drop ship. So, just FYI, bought one of these myself. I like the product, it's good quality. I ended up drop shipping it last year. Did quite well. We're gonna do some of this arm workout. I'm gonna do triceps and biceps and bring you along the way with some of them. I'm going to do another triceps one. Just a tip, okay? If you want to train your triceps, do close grip push-ups, okay? Not like this feet chest, like this. Let's turn it into like a home workout video. Damn, okay. Anyway, this works your triceps, so I'm going to do this as well. That hurts my wrists more than anything. Okay, so the last one's going to be for biceps. It's going to be single arm. I used to do this all throughout COVID, okay? So all throughout COVID, use one of these, put your foot down on it, get the resistance right, wherever it's comfortable for you. This is definitely turned out to a home workout channel. Used to that. I'm huge, I'm huge, I'm huge, I'm huge. Ziz, 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 ziz. Oh my God. I always do this after arms. I always go and shake it out. Okay, I'm gonna alternate through these. So I've got 4 exercises I'm gonna alternate through, probably do them 3 times each. And should pump up the arms quite well. Arms actually pretty pumped up. Damn, done. We're done. Ow. So I've got about 10 minutes until I have to be on the computer, so I'm gonna whip up some food real quick and get on and start practicing. See inside the life of an Australian professional Rocket League player. Let's go.
Whoa, let's go.
So I actually got my timing wrong. I thought I was meant to be on an hour before I actually am. So I actually have an hour. So I'm still gonna make some food. I'm just gonna get on and prepare some things and get ready to play in an hour, I guess. So I didn't explain it before, but the tournament that we're entering for Rocket League is called RLCS. And RLCS is like the main tournament for Rocket League. And that is like, if you want to be a professional Rocket League player, that's the tournament that you get into. So last season, I was actually fortunate enough to be in a team that we consistently got top 8 for each event. What I mean by top 8 is top 8 in the whole of Australia. We were in the top 8 consistently for every event. I think there was about 3 or 4 events for every split, and there was 4 splits. So it was for each season, okay? So there was a lot of events. Every single event we were able to get top 8, and one of them we got a top 4. This season so far, I have a new team. We just missed out on top 8 last time, but tonight we're going to make another push because it's the next event. It's the second event for the season. I'm going to try and make top 8 again. So this is based off a point system. So the higher you get in each event, the more points you have. On an overall view, an entire season, there's 4 splits, okay? For summer, autumn, winter, spring, okay? There's 4 entire splits, and each split runs over 3 months. So what happens at the end of this month, after each one of these events, as what we're playing tonight, after each one of these events, whoever ends up on the top gets the most points. And right at the end of these 3 months, at the first split, whoever the top 2 teams are in this region, so in OCE, which is Australia, they get invited to play overseas. So it's only 2 that are allowed entry. So everyone's fighting for this top 2 spot. But for me, it's a little bit different, okay? A lot of these players are just kids, right? Depends on what you consider as a kid. Like, most of these players are anywhere aged from potentially 15 to 16, all the way up to 20, 21, potentially 22. Here I am, I'm considered, now in real life, I'm young, 26 years old, but in Rocket League career life, 26 is old, okay? So a lot of these players are living with their parents, they don't really have jobs, so it's a lot easier, unless they have school, it's a lot easier for them to really juggle their time. So it's about an hour later, I'm actually meant to be on in a minute. So I've got my protein here, didn't drink it before, protein shake, and I'm gonna jump into Discord, and then I'm going to launch the game, and I'll show you guys a bit of footage from when we're actually scrimming, when we're actually practicing, and it should be good, super fun time. Yeah, free. One's up. Wait, Sicky. That's in. Nice, good work. Just Sicky. Wake up. Left. Free. Nice, I'm up. Nice, good work. Really good 50. Nice, good work. Such a good 50. So this is actually the next day that I'm filming this video, and just to really top it off for that night, last night when I was playing, we actually made it into the top 8. Now after that, we actually tried to get into the top 4 for this Rocket League tournament. Now we just missed out. We lost 2-4 in a best of 7, so 2 games to 4 we lost. But that's okay. I think we're still pretty happy with top 8 for, top 8 for the whole of Australia, okay? We made it to top 8, very, very close to top 4, so we did quite well. Now really, my nights now have just been consistent of winding down, relaxing. I'll be on call with my girlfriend a lot of the time, and we'll just chill out. We might play some PUBG Mobile, watch something, we might just chill out. It's just my time and our time to just relax and just to chill out, because we both have busy days a lot of the time, and we just like to relax. So you could say my days are very methodical in the things that I do. I like to do very similar things and just make consistent efforts. So I'll get up in the morning, I'll plan my day, answer students back, do some work, go to the gym, come back, do a little bit more work. If I have Rocket League practice that day, then I'll do it. Really, the reason why I'm doing this Rocket League stuff, I know it might seem like it takes a lot of time out, and sometimes it is like that. Sometimes it's like, okay, I've got to make the decision of, do I practice a little bit more, or do I spend more time on myself or the family or on work? So I really got to make sure that I'm on top of finding the balance of that thing. But I also think to myself, okay, I'm only 26, even though I'm considered old in the Rocket League community. I'm only 26. By the time I get older, have my own family, it's going to be a lot harder to do that. So while I'm still here, still living life on my own in my own apartment, then I think it's good to do so. Just really making the most of my life, really. It's a very cliche thing to say, but I always try and live by it. My days are very methodical, and they're filled with a lot of things that I love to do. I love to do my work, I love to go to the gym, I love to play Rocket League, love talking to the people that I care about, and it's very, very good for me. It's a very, very healthy system for my life. As long as I keep those things in balance, then I think I'm quite happy with that. But I think the next time I do one of these day in the life videos, it's gonna be a lot more in depth. I'm gonna go out and do something, but I really wanted you guys to see that an actual day in the life. I know a lot of these people, when they do day in the lives, they go out and do all these like different things as part of their day, and they go out and it's like, they live life like that every day. They try and make it seem like. The day that I just showed you is pretty much my day most days, okay? It doesn't waver too much unless I'm going out for an event or seeing family or something like that. And I'm okay with that. I'm still happy. Some people like doing extremely different things each day. I'm a very methodical kind of person. So as long as I know that I'm top of my stuff, as long as I know that I'm getting work done, I'm quite happy. But if you want to see something different in my next day in the life video, let me know. I think this is a good insight into what I do day in, day out. But hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any suggestions in the comments below if you want to see other kinds of stuff. But apart from that, I hope you guys are staying safe. I'll see you guys in the next one.